Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Mackenzie Nelson. This is Backpacking, and welcome back to the Balkan Series. I've been traveling the Balkans for some time now, a few weeks, and I am in North Macedonia right now. I am in Ohrid, a lake on the border of Albania and North Macedonia. It's been a lovely time here. I'm actually really sad to leave today, but I'm heading to the country's capital of Skopje today. I really don't know what I'll get up to. I know that there's a walking tour later today. It's about midday now, and I'm just walking to the bus station. My bags, for some reason, are feeling extra heavy today. I think because I have like food bits. I have like a bag of oats and some jam and peanut butter and random things like that, and it's really weighing me down today. I already booked my bus ticket yesterday, just passed by the bus station, booked it. It was 150 dinar, so that's all sorted. It's at 11:45 in about 15 minutes, so I'm going to take the 10-minute walk there now, and then yeah, it should be a quick and easy bus to Skopje. It's going to be a very hot day, so we'll see what we get up to. Came for a really late lunch. As soon as we got into the city, dropped our bags. We were trying to get to a walking tour, but we wanted to eat something first, and so we came and got these kebabs with kayak cheese. Is it like a sheep cheese or a cow cheese? Do you know? Okay, we don't know what kind of cheese it is, but it's called kayak. And then some kebabs. It's honestly really good. This is called makala. It's with potato and leek, and then we just got some bread to go with that, but super good. I really enjoyed that dinner. Lots of flavor in that food. The makala was, he told us to get the regular makala and not the garlicky one, but then that ended up being the garlic makala. Anyways, really good. Really rate it. We had to kind of eat and pay really fast because we wanted to jump on the 5 p.m. walking tour, free walking tour of the city that we found through GoPro Walk. But we're right on time. We're right here at the meeting point, and we texted them, and the guy is going to show up late anyways, so we're all good. Today. One, our actual guide from GoPro Walk, and two, a dog that's been following us this whole guided tour, even on the little breaks. He's been following us. It's so sweet. One of these, and then one of these. Packet. Thank you. So we just finished our walking tour, but our guide Dino gave us recommendations for some sweets to try, and so we're trying one that's called the horseshoe. It has walnuts, and something else, and then another one called parachute. It's like egg whites, and I think there's pistachio inside. Oh, it's falling apart. Okay, well, I'll just try it. Oh no! I'm missing the whole bit, the whole cream bit. It's not that sweet. No, try it. It's good. Okay. It's also not that sweet. He was saying that they're really sweet. It's really good. Oh my god. morning, everybody. It's a little bit loud. I'm just come back to the central bus station in Skopje with my friend Deborah. We met at the last hostel in Ore, but we traveled here together. But today we're going to Matka Canyon, which is like one of the only things to do in like surrounding Skopje. There's not a whole lot to do in the city, but the reason I really wanted to come to this capital particularly is to go to the Matka Canyon. It looks really, really beautiful, and I really didn't want to do a tour. They advertise a lot of tours, a lot of taxi drivers will take you there, but we wanted to do it by ourselves, so we're just hopping on this bus at the central bus station. They go almost every hour on the half hour, so it's almost 8:30 now. We're going to jump on bus number 60 to Matka Canyon. It should only take about like 30-40 minutes to get there, and then we'll see what we find when we get there. Maybe do a boat ride, maybe kayak. We'll see what our options are. So you just buy a ticket on the bus, and it's 50 dinar for like a one-way ticket. So it's 50 dinar there, 50 dinar back.
Join us today, okay? Because we're gonna start in 10 minutes.
Sure.
Great.
So the bus dropped us off, and then we walked quite a bit into the canyon, but we're here in the canyon. It looks beautiful. Now we're hopping on a boat. We decided to stick with the boat instead of the kayak, and it was €8.50 for the boat trip, and it's about an hour. So the boat was 500 dinar or €8.50, and I think the kayak was €8.50 for two people for an hour, and then yeah, we're estimating you probably need like an hour or two if you want to go to the cave or like whatnot. So it would be kind of expensive for the kayak and a lot more effort. And it's a really hot day, so I think the boat ride will do us just fine. We saw a couple people swimming along the, I guess, the shoreline, and there's like a whole like walkway and stuff that you could do. And I think you mentioned this to me before, that there was like a little like hike you could do, and I think you could go pretty far into the canyon. I saw this walkway like almost all the way to the cave, so we're gonna go find a swim spot, a lunch spot, a chill spot. We found a really nice swim spot. There's another family here, but we just towel changed into our bathing suits. But it's really nice. What a beautiful view. And it's so clear too, look at that. I wish I had my GoPro. I'm so silly, I literally just asked, are there crocodiles here? And Deborah goes, no, we're in Europe. I feel so silly for asking. But you never know. You never know. Oh, it's chilly. It's honestly a lot colder than I was expecting.
Oh, yeah, no, I prepared myself because I think the water in town was so cold.
Yeah.
And I thought this one would be warmer.
Yeah. No, I thought this would be warmer too.
Yeah.
Oh, it'll be refreshing.
Yeah, it probably is really refreshing, but you're frozen.
Yeah. Oh my god. It is refreshing, but it's cold.
Oh my god.
It's not bad. Like, I mean, it's cold, but it's not. There you go.
Freezing. Okay. Little spin.
You can jump.
I'll jump, but can you come over with me?
I'm not being dramatic. It's cold. We went to the store yesterday and I picked up some meat and cheese from the deli. My cheese kind of blended all together with the heat. And then just a bakery. We got some meat this morning, just some bread. And then I got my Ivar, which is like the typical sauce or condiment. It's like a bell pepper, roasted bell pepper sauce. It's so good. And I got a yogurt as well. So we're all sorted for lunch. And then we're gonna head back to the bus, and we both got Freddo cappuccinos, which I haven't had since Greece, so I'm actually really excited for a Freddo cappuccino. Cheers! Skopje salad. Okay, a few hours later, after much needed rest in the AC back at the hostel, we came back to the old bazaar, like the Turkish bazaar area of the city, which we passed through on our walking tour yesterday, and actually came to the restaurant that, did he recommend this restaurant? Yeah, he recommended this. I mean, we stopped here and he showed us the menu and everything, so, and we got very traditional food, very good. We started with the Skopje salad, which is tomato, cucumber, and like a shredded cheese on top. Super yummy and refreshing. But here we got the same kebabs, kind of like yesterday, but in this baked bean dish, which like this is like the national dish, is the baked beans. And then he said that typically you have meat with it, so we just got these kebabs in it and some bread as well. And we got the local beer. Bon appetit. I actually had these baked beans dish the other night, so it's not my first one, but let's see how it compares. Oh, it's good with the taste of the meat in it as well. It's really good. We thought we would miss sunset, like literally by a few minutes. So we ran up to the fortress. We were in the old Turkish area, which is like the fortress is overlooking that area, the bazaar, but the fortress is closed. I don't know what time it closed, but it's closed. We can't go in. But there is a really nice hilltop with an amazing view. It's really pretty. And we like just missed the sun going down the horizon, but like the after sunset vibes, you know, the after sunset hues are still really pretty. And then I think we're just gonna walk into the Bohemian district, because we heard there is something sweet and tasty over there. Oh, so pretty. I don't know if you could really tell, but there was some fireworks behind us just when we like went to the bottom of the hill. But there's some kind of like youth Olympics thing happening this summer, like the next few weeks. And I think that must be like the end or a celebration of some sort. But some nice fireworks. Okay, we've just come to this cake shop in the Bohemian district. Also, this district seems really nice, but there's a university nearby, so I think it's just more of like a going out area, a restaurant area, but it looks really nice. Okay, on the tour yesterday, he told us we have to try blueberry juice and then this like corn drink called boza. So we've been really excited to try these. We were going to try them yesterday, and then we decided to come back today. Okay. That is interesting.
Is it good?
I gotta be honest. This kid just asked me if it was good on my very first sip. It's like a fermented corn drink. It's very fermented though. It's really interesting, but it's also sweet. Okay, let's try the blueberry juice. We've been very excited to try blueberry juice. Oh, I like that. It's really sweet, but it's blueberry juice. Exactly what you expect it to be. It's really dark. We were wondering if it comes from a can or if it's like actually pressed blueberry, but that would be a lot of blueberries, so I don't know. Also, both of them together were 80 dinar. Hello everybody, it is noisy again because I am back at the central bus station and I am leaving Skopje. I'm leaving North Macedonia. So I wanted to end this vlog properly. Thank you so much for watching. please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in Kosovo. It is a country I am returning to, but this time to actually explore cities and not hike through it. So follow along, and I'll see you in Kosovo.